To move cache boxes quickly across the map and reach high ground, leveraging launch physics and melee combos saves time and keeps your team safe from open ground ambushes. When you are right next to an active objective, simply tap your primary throw button to toss the cache box directly into the cache out station for a clean deposit. To launch the cache box over massive distances, use the melee throw technique. Hold the cache box, aim your crosshair upward, press primary fire to throw, and instantly trigger a melee attack. This cancels the standard release animation and transfers extra momentum to the box, launching it across the map at high speed. It keeps enemies from tracking your location and prevents rival squads from easily intercepting the cache. If you want to travel along with the cache box to high ground, combine your throw with momentum gadgets. If you are playing light, trigger your evasive dash right as you hit the pad to launch yourself across the map alongside the box. If you are playing medium, use the shockwave momentum to launch yourself to elevated rooftops simultaneously. Subscribing helps out the channel, and enjoy making those high-flying deposits.